I'm Mark Sanchez. I'm the packaging assembly manager for Pro Energy. What I'm going to show you today is the auxiliary skid. The auxiliary skid is the main skid outside of the turbine and generator package, and it houses things like this. This is a hydraulic start motor. Hydraulic start motor is 200 horsepower motor. It provides the starting power via a hydraulic pump that has a variable swash plate in it for speed control. It's controlled by our control system. We manufacture this load coupling. Anything that's on this skid outside of purchase parts, we manufacture in-house. It's part of our vertical integration, right? We believe that the way that we can control our destiny better is by building things in-house from the ground up. So many of the things that you'll see on here, we actually build in-house, and then we assemble them together. So the hydraulic start motor, 200 horsepower motor driving a hydraulic variable displacement pump. Then this is the hydraulic start cooler. As you can see, the hydraulic start tank is relatively small, and you would think it's small, so it requires cooling. That cooling is controlled by a valve that changes based off of temperature on whether it diverts to this or back to the tank directly. So this is the loop for the hydraulic start system. One of the other things that we have on here is a water wash. This tank is used for online and offline water wash. The pump here, it's got a high pressure pump here that provides the pressure to the water wash nozzles on the backside of the inlet volute. We also build this tank in-house. We have currently our pipe fitters. Also, they're fantastic welders in all respects. They build this tank for us in-house in our shop. So this tank is 100% manufactured by us. Over here, this is the latest edition, which has been on there probably now 2.5 to 3 years. This is the NOx water. It's for nitrous oxide control. It provides, through this pump, it provides high pressure to the fuel nozzle rails. All right, that's how we help control the formations of NOx. Okay. On this side, as you can see, gets rather intricate here. We have a lot of tubing here. All this tubing is done in-house. We don't have any of this pre-manufactured outside. We do all of this tubing with all these intricate bends. Everything looks very nice, laid out very well. We like to do that because we can custom fit every piece that's on here. We custom fit them. We do have a go-by, but we're able to accommodate slight variations in the manufacturing process by having all of these things fit at the time of installation. So luckily, at this point, we've refined our process well enough that we can pre-bend most all of this tubing and then just trim as we go put the things together. So in this location right now, we have our DP. These are differential pressure across these filters. We have a scavenger loop and a supply loop. We have all of these that monitor all the critical pressures. These are pressure switches, and transmitters are located also on other parts of the skid. But these pressure switches are there for monitoring our critical pressures. Also, high DP gives us an indication of when it's time to change the filters. This is the turbine lube oil tank. We also built this tank in-house. It's got sight gauges, so a guy can walk up and make sure that he has sufficient turbine lube oil. We've got a switch up here that also confirms that we have sufficient oil. We have a flow gauge, we have temperature gauges, and some different things that are here that ensure for an operator that's on site that he can see that these things are there. Although it will run independent because of this switch, able to feed back to the control system, so we don't have to have an operator on station. One of the things that we've done at Pro Energy is we've decided to integrate things that were normally off skid in some of the other manufacturers. We've integrated things onto this skid. We've combined this skid to take multiple pieces and put it on a single skid. The benefit to that is that now we have a more compact yet serviceable area for the skid. But now we don't have all these extra skids. Our footprint is reduced. We have a more compact design, like I said, but it's still workable. We can get in there and do anything that we need to do. That helps us on the other end because then we have single point connections where we park this skid next to the turbine generator package, and we can make all of those connections at a very compact area. That helps us both expedite our build process as well as the reduction in fabricated parts, other skids, and we also have the ability to send it out on less trucks. All of those add up to savings for us in both time, materials, and labor. Once we set this at site, the connections happen quickly, everything's hooked up, and they're ready to go.